the Bash, and on behalf of Tata Capital Limited, it is my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the National Stock Exchange of India for this landmark occasion, the listing ceremony of Tata Capital Limited. May we have a round of applause. And this moment marks not just a financial milestone, but the continuation of a 150-year-old legacy, one that has been built on trust, integrity, and a deep commitment to nation building. As one of India's most respected institutions, the Tata Group has always stood for meaningful impact and long-term value creation. And today is a reflection of that enduring vision. Before we begin the proceedings for this momentous occasion, let us all rise as one in unity, in pride, and in reverence for the national anthem of India. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you all to please stand.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He.
Thank you all. I request you all to please be seated. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today we have a host of dignitaries who have taken their precious time to join us on this very memorable occasion. And I would like to welcome them. We have with us today Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, the chairman of Tata Sons. A very warm welcome to our host, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange. Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, the chairman of Tata Capital Limited. Mr. Rajiv Sabharwal, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Tata Capital Limited. We also extend a warm welcome to the Board of Directors of Tata Capital Limited and a special welcome to the entire team of Tata Capital who is present here today. We're also pleased to have with us the book-running lead managers, the legal counsels, auditors and registrar, and of course, our valued partners whose guidance has been so instrumental in this journey. And a very warm welcome to all of our friends from the media as well who have joined us today for this special occasion. And today marks a proud and a defining milestone in Tata Capital's journey. Since the year 2007, Tata Capital has stayed true to its founding belief that finance, at its best, is connecting to people to opportunities. Grounded in its values of the Tata Group, Tata Capital has strived to be responsible as a financial partner in fulfilling India's aspirations. Tata Capital is among the fastest growing and the third largest diversified NBFC in India. An upper layer NBFC, it has grown into a trusted partner for millions of individuals and businesses across the country. It operates in over 27 states and union territories with an omni-channel distribution model that combines a wide branch network, a robust partner ecosystem, and a strong digital presence, all of which work together to deliver superior customer experience. At its heart, ladies and gentlemen, lies a promise, and one that goes beyond capital to deliver trust, care, and delight in everything that it does. Today is a landmark moment for Tata Capital, and it's a testament to the dedication and the relentless efforts of each and every employee who has made this possible. With this listing, Tata Capital Limited enters a new chapter, one that is built on the same foundation of progress and of purpose. Thank you to everyone who has been a part of this journey. The road ahead is full of promise, and we are just getting started. To commence this morning on an auspicious note, may I now invite our dignitaries to please come forward for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp, a symbol of wisdom, clarity, and a bright path forward for Tata Capital Limited. May I please welcome on stage Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, the Chairman of Tata Sons, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of NSE, Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, Chairman, Tata Capital Limited, as well as Mr. Rajiv Sabharwal, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Tata Capital Limited. A round of applause, a symbol of wisdom, clarity, and a bright path forward for Tata Capital Limited. Thank you, and may this light continue to guide Tata Capital's journey towards excellence and towards innovation. Thank you, gentlemen. As we move forward to the proceedings of this morning, I would like to invite on stage Ms. Shanti Ekambaram from Kotak Mahindra Company Limited, the book-running lead manager for this listing and a valued partner in Tata Capital's journey to the markets. Their support and expertise has played a pivotal role in this achievement. Ma'am, the stage is yours.
Good morning, everybody. And it's a wonderful morning and what we have seen so far. On behalf of all the book-running lead managers, legal counsels, auditors, and intermediaries to the IPO, it is my great pleasure to extend a warm and heartful welcome to each one of you to the listing ceremony of the Tata Capital IPO. We at Kotak are proud to have been the left lead book running manager to the IPO. Tata Capital, which is a landmark moment in India's financial services and a proud milestone in the Tata Group's legacy. It is a flagship financial services of the Tata Group, built on a foundation of over 150 years of legacy. Tata Capital benefits from the group's unmatched reputation for governance, long-term value creation, deep-rooted commitment to India's economic development. Just a few points. This is the largest ever IPO from the Tata Group, the largest NBFC IPO, and the fourth largest IPO in the history of the Indian capital markets. A true testament to the scale, strength, and trust that Tata Capital commands. At IPO, Tata Capital would already be the sixth largest company by market cap within the Tata Group, thereby demonstrating the importance of this company to the overall group. This IPO has generated strong demand from all leading mutual funds, insurance companies, large FIIs, and strong response from the retail investors, given the decades of trust with the Tata brand. Tata Capital will have the fourth largest retail shareholder base at IPO over the past decade. Ably led by Saurabh Agarwal and Rajiv Sabharwal, Tata Capital has the potential to become one of the largest NBFCs, given the breadth of customers, the depth of products offered, and the runway for growth is long, the opportunity is immense, and the journey ahead is bright. So do not want to stand in the way of now, the listing ceremony. So thank you very much, and wish you all a good day.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Kambaram, and certainly the future ahead looks only bright for a company that has been built on legacy and, like you said, with an unmatched reputation. And wonderful to know that this is the largest ever IPO from the Tata Group. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and honor to invite Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, the Chairman, Tata Capital, a leader whose vision and strategic guidance has been instrumental in shaping Tata Capital's journey. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Mr. Saurabh Agarwal.
First of all, good morning, everyone. And thank you, Shanti. I think you have said very kind words for us. At the same time, you put in a huge ambition to us for leadership position. Today is a momentous day for all of us at Tata Capital, one that fills us with pride and gratitude. We are deeply honored to have with us our Group Chairman, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. Thank you, Chairman, for being with us on this occasion. I also warmly welcome Mr. Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO of National Stock Exchange, for joining us on this special occasion. And a very warm welcome to our new shareholders. We are delighted to have you as part of the Tata Capital family. Today marks the beginning of a new phase as we stand here as a listed company. We are conscious of our responsibilities and aware of the expectations that come with this moment. We will strive to deliver sustainable growth and create enduring value for all our stakeholders. Before I go any further, I want to express my heartfelt appreciation to all Tata Capital directors and colleagues, both past and present, for helping us build this company over the years. This moment truly belongs to each of you. As we celebrate today, it is fitting that we also reflect on the macro context in which we operate. Amidst uncertainty in the global economy, India's growth story continues to gain strength and momentum. Recent policy measures from regulators and Government of India, including reduction in GST, income tax, and interest rates, have given a strong stimulus to domestic demand. After a stronger than expected GDP performance in first quarter FY26, the RBI has revised GDP growth rate upwards for this financial year to 6.8%, reaffirming India's position as the world's fastest growing major economy. Against this backdrop, total credit in India is expected to double from 240 lakh crores to 500 lakh crores over the next 5 years. Companies with strong governance and access to capital are best positioned to seize this opportunity. Coming to Tata Capital has steadily chartered its own growth path within the financial services ecosystem. The company was established in 2007. The company has been profitable since inception. We crossed the 50,000 crore milestone in 2017. In 2018, Rajiv Sabharwal took over as CEO, and under his leadership, we have accelerated our journey. Today, our loan book stands at over 2 lakh crore. What's remarkable is this: it took us 10 years to reach our first 50,000 crores. But the most recent 50,000 crores was added in just 1 year. Throughout this journey, we have been guided by our chairman's philosophy: fitness first, followed by direction, and then only focus on velocity. This principle has shaped the way we built our businesses, strengthening fundamentals before scaling them up. Our disciplined approach has ensured consistently low credit cost, a strong testament to this philosophy. Today, Tata Capital stands as a diversified financial services platform, defined by the breadth of our product offerings and nationwide presence, and an experienced management team. Over the past 3 years, we have tripled our branch network and grown our loan book by over 25% annually, reaching 2.3 lakh crore, with best-in-class asset quality. Equally important, we have built a strong forward-looking technology foundation. Our progress in digital innovation and thoughtful integration of Gen AI across the value chain has positioned us amongst the best in the industry. Digital, Gen AI, and analytics will continue to be a powerful enabler and key differentiator for Tata Capital in the years ahead. Backed by the unwavering trust in the Tata brand, favorable macro tailwinds, and a stable, strong leadership team of exceptional quality, I am confident that Tata Capital's journey of excellence has only just begun. On this proud occasion, my heartiest congratulations to Rajiv and his team for achieving this significant milestone. And lastly, thank you, Chairman, for your vision, guidance, and steadfast support. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so very much, Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, for those words. And I think, as you very rightly put it, this marks the beginning of a new phase. And the company has steadily charted its own growth path, and that's been marked by strong fundamentals, a disciplined approach, experienced management team, strong technological foundation, and of course, the journey of excellence, as you said, has only just begun. Clearly, this reminds us that the Tata legacy will only be carried forward with pride. Our next speaker, ladies and gentlemen, is someone who has been at the heart of Tata Capital's growth, driving innovation and building trust with purpose. We are proud to welcome Mr. Rajiv Sabharwal, Managing Director and CEO of Tata Capital Limited, to share his thoughts on this historic day.
Good morning, everyone. I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to all our distinguished guests, our Group Chairman, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, Shri Ashish Chauhan, Managing Director, NSC, Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, Chairman, Tata Capital, our esteemed directors, our book-running lead managers, counsels, partners, members of the media, and my colleagues from Tata Capital. Your presence makes this occasion truly special. Today is a proud day for all of us. As Tata Capital lists on the exchange, it marks a culmination of years of dedication and collective effort from everyone associated with the company since its inception. I want to start by welcoming over 22 lakh new shareholders to the Tata Capital family. The ringing of the bell today is not just a symbol of our market debut, it is a celebration of trust, resilience, and shared value creation. Our greatest pride is in our heritage, the privilege of being a part of the Tata Group, a name that stands for trust, integrity, and nation building. I feel this pride each and every day since I have been a part of the Tata family. Our evolution has been guided by three enduring pillars: trust, transparency, and technology, enabling us to combine prudent risk management with transformative customer service and deep use of technology. Tata Capital started its lending business in 2007 with a vision rooted in the belief that access to finance can empower individuals, businesses, and communities to achieve their aspirations, and in doing so, contribute meaningfully to India's growth story. Since those early days, from booking our first loan in 2007 to raising the largest NCD of its times in 2009, to starting the housing finance business in 2010, starting our clean energy business in 2013, to reaching a book size of over 2 lakh crores in 2025, every milestone has been built on the values that define us. Today, we are both humbled and proud to have grown into one of India's leading and the most respected diversified financial services institution. As we stand before you today, we have a loan book size of exceeding rupees 2.3 lakh crores, serving over 7 million customers, operating across India through 1,500 plus branches, offering more than 25 products across consumer, housing, SME, and corporate. While continuing to grow at over 25%, our focus on risk management has ensured an industry-best portfolio quality. We have leveraged technology and now Gen AI in building many industry-first initiatives to drive customer convenience and operating efficiency. As India moves confidently into its next phase of growth, we see ourselves as an enabler of opportunities for individuals seeking to fulfill their dreams, for MSMEs driving innovation and employment, and for enterprises contributing to the nation's progress. In keeping with the Tata Group ethos of serving society with compassion and purpose, we remain committed to uplifting lives and fostering progress. Our flagship initiatives in the domains of climate action, healthcare, and skilling have impacted millions of lives and embody our commitment to inclusive growth and human development. We were privileged to have IFC as a JV partner in laying the foundation of the clean tech business, which has financed over 500 renewable energy projects, thus furthering Tata Group's endeavor towards creating a sustainable future. I am indebted to the unwavering faith, guidance, and mentorship from our group chairman, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. I remember his mantras for me: fitness before growth, customer first, and portfolio quality. We have always kept these on top of our agenda, sir. Thank you, Saurabh, our chairman, for being there always with us, providing strategic direction and encouraging the team towards excellence. Thank you very much. To our board, our deepest gratitude for your steadfast support. To every colleague at Tata Capital, past and present, this success is yours. And I'd also like to thank all the families of our Tata Group employees who've been supporting our team members always. Your dedication and passion have brought us here, and I'm confident that together we will reach even greater heights. A heartfelt thanks to our regulators, the exchanges, and our bankers for your continuous guidance through this journey and making us come here where we are standing today on our listing day. To all our existing and new shareholders and all our lenders, all commercial banks, thank you for the trust and belief in us. As we move forward, we assure you that we will continue this journey with commitment, passion, and integrity. And to all our customers, all our borrowers, thank you for making us a part of your aspirations and your success. It is said that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. We at Tata Capital believe in the dreams of millions of Indians and enterprises. And we look forward to shaping the next decade of growth responsibly, innovatively, and inclusively. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sabharwal, for those words and certainly highlighting the wonderful milestones and the journey of Tata Capital Limited. It indeed is a proud day and a collective culmination of the effort of every single individual that is a part of Tata Capital Limited. It is now my honor, ladies and gentlemen, to invite on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, the Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange of India, a visionary leader in the financial ecosystem of India. Sir, we are so delighted to have you with us today. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. The stage is yours.
Shri N. Chandrasekharan, Chairman, Tata Group, Shri Saurav Agarwal, Chairman, Tata Capital, Shri Rajiv Sabharwal, MD and CEO, Tata Capital, Shri Rakesh Bhatia, CFO, Tata Capital, Sushri Shanti Ekambram, Kotak Mahindra Capital, board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Tata Capital Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Tata Capital in our family of listed corporates, which becomes now the 2,879th company to list with us, further strengthening the vibrant and growing ecosystem of listed Indian enterprises. As our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji has rightly said, capital in India doesn't just grow, it multiplies. India, being the fourth largest economy and the fourth largest capital market in the world, stands at an inflection point where capital is a force that multiplies opportunity and innovation. This sentiment truly reflects the vibrancy of our financial ecosystem, where institutions like Tata Capital play a pivotal role in deepening access to finance and empowering entrepreneurship. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. NSE today serves over 12 crore unique investors holding 23.5 crore investor accounts, spanning 99.85% of PIN codes in the country. Market capitalization of listed companies has grown by 125 times since 1994, when NSE started operations, reaching 460 lakh crore or US $5.2 trillion today. NSE is one of India's strongest pillars for fund mobilization. In financial year 24-25, NSE facilitated fundraising of rupees 18.7 lakh crore for Indian enterprises, much higher than the incremental credit offtake by banks to industry and services. NSE is also among the global leaders in IPO fund mobilization. In the current fiscal alone, 68 companies have raised 74,000 crore through IPOs on NSE's main board. For over 3 decades, NSE has been a steadfast partner to the Tata Group. Many Tata companies are proudly listed on NSE. There is a deeper shared purpose that brings us together today. Tata Capital and NSE are both enablers of capital. As Honorable Vice President of India, Sri C.P. Radhakrishnan ji, said at his address at NSE, without capital, there is no Viksit Bharat. For India to grow, it needs capital to fuel the economy, create jobs, generate wealth, and fulfill the aspirations of 1.4 billion people. A public listing is much more than a financial event. It is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. We are proud to offer Tata Capital access to a broader investor base and a fair, efficient, and transparent market ecosystem. I congratulate the entire team of Tata Capital, its merchant bankers, Kotak Mahindra Capital, BNP Paribas, Citigroup Global Markets, HDFC Bank, HSBC Securities, ICICI Securities, IIFL Capital, JP Morgan, SBI Capital, Axis Capital, its legal advisors Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, its PR agency, Adfactors PR, and other parties associated in this listing for their collective accomplishments. Today's listing is another milestone in NSE's long-standing partnership with the Tata Group and the start of a new partnership between NSE and Tata Capital. Our shared ambition is Viksit Bharat by 2047 and enabling the capital required for it. We look forward to support you in your continued growth and all your future fundraising endeavors. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much. That was Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, the Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, highlighting the vibrant ecosystem of listed enterprises in the country, and may it only continue to grow. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to mark this proud moment in Tata Capital's journey, we now move to the Memento Exchange ceremony, which is a symbolic gesture of partnership between Tata Capital and the National Stock Exchange. I would like to invite on stage Mr. N. Chandrasekaran for the exchange of the memento. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a symbolic replica of the iconic NSE bell to serve as a memory for this remarkable occasion. NSE would also like to present a coffee table book which talks about the journey of the National Stock Exchange. And we also have the proud to be listed box of badges for the Tata Capital employees on the occasion of the listing ceremony today. And I would now request Mr. N. Chandrasekaran to hand over the Tata Capital memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Thank you so much, gentlemen. This memento will serve as a lasting symbol of trust and shared achievement. Shri Chauhan, please stay on stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present the mementos from the NSE to the key partners and stakeholders who have played a significant role in the enabling of this listing. We begin with the book running lead managers. I would like to welcome on stage Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Could we please have JP Morgan India Private Limited ready to come on stage next? Thank you. May I invite JP Morgan India Private Limited on stage, please? And can we have Citi Global Markets India Private Limited waiting? A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome on stage Citi Global Markets India Private Limited. Can we have IIFL Capital Limited, please, waiting by? Thank you. Let us welcome IIFL Capital Limited, and can we please have Axis Capital Limited waiting by? Let's welcome Axis Capital Limited on stage. Could ICICI Securities Limited please be standing by? Let's welcome with a round of applause ICICI Securities Limited, and can we please have SBI Capital Markets Limited waiting by? Let's welcome SBI Capital Markets Limited on stage, and can we please have HDFC Bank Limited waiting by? Thank you. Let's welcome on stage HDFC Bank Limited, and could HSBC Securities and Capital Markets please be standing by? A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let us now welcome HSBC Securities and Capital Markets Private Limited on stage. And can we have BNP Paribas please waiting by? Thank you. And finally, let's welcome on stage BNP Paribas. Thank you. Those were the book running lead managers. Let us now welcome the legal counsels, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you. That was Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. We now have our communications partner on stage. May we please welcome Ad Factors PR. Ladies and gentlemen, a hearty applause. Thank you, Shri Ashish Kumar. Let us now move on, ladies and gentlemen. And I know that the clock is ticking, and it's only moments away from the most historic moment of the day, one that we have all been waiting for with bated breath. But before we go ahead and ring the bell, it's a perfect time to pause and to take it all in. This is the moment, ladies and gentlemen, that we would like to dedicate to our nation to pay tribute to the spirit of India. We have our artists here, Abhishek Mishra, Ninand, as well as Ojas, and they will now be performing a song that captures the pride and that captures the emotion that we hold in our hearts for incredible India. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please give it up for our very talented artists and musicians? Wonderful. Our artists capturing the pride and emotion that we hold in our hearts. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the iconic bell ringing ceremony. May I please invite on stage our key dignitaries, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran, Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Could we please have Mr. Saurabh Agarwal on stage as well as Mr. Rajiv Sabarwal. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an absolutely historic moment as Tata Capital Limited is prepared to make its debut on the National Stock Exchange of India. We will soon hear the iconic ringing of the bell, a sound of trust renewed, in just a few seconds. And let us all come together and count down to the defining moment together. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Tata Capital Limited is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This moment signifying not just the ringing of the bell, but the sound of renewed dreams made possible and a future built on purpose and promise. May I congratulations, and let's capture these iconic moments which will be carved out in history and cherished for a long time to come. Tata Capital Limited is now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange of India. May I please request Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please give the bell ringing photo frame to Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. Let us also take a moment to sweeten the occasion and mark it with prosperity. A moment of pride, of trust renewed, of dreams made possible, on a future that is built on purpose and on promise. All right, we will go ahead with the bell ringing photo frame in just a moment. But in the meantime, I would like to now invite on stage the Board of Directors of Tata Capital Limited. May I please invite on stage Mr. Sujit Verma. Can we also have Mr. Nagaraj Ijari? We would like to welcome on stage Ms. Dr. Punita Kumar Sinha. Let's welcome Mr. Ramanathan Vishwanathan. Can we have on stage Ms. Geeta Ravichandran, Mr. Ankur Verma, as well as Ms. Malvika Sinha. A round of applause, the Board of Directors of Tata Capital Limited. Thank you all. You may now be seated. I would like to also welcome on stage the top management of Tata Capital Limited under Mr. Sabharwal's leadership, Mr. Sarosh Amaria, Mr. Manish Chaurasia, Mr. Vivek Chopra, Mr. Neeraj Dhawan, Mr. Narendra Kamath, Mr. Rakesh Bhatia, Ms. Abonti Banerjee, Mr. Avijit Bhattacharya, Mr. Kiran Joshi, Ms. Sarita Kamath, Mr. Nitin Dharma, Mr. Saurav Basu, Mr. Sandeep Tripathi, and Ms. Abha Sarda. Thank you all. That is the top management of Tata Capital Limited. Certainly deserves a huge round of applause. I would like to also welcome on stage the IFC team, please, for a photo op. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you so very much. And I would like to welcome back on stage Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please present the bell-ringing photo frame to Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, a very historic moment captured in eternity. The iconic NSC Bull family is what you can see, and this is also going to be presented by Mr. Ashish Kumar to Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Thank you so very much, gentlemen. You may take your seats. I would request Mr. Saurabh Agarwal now to hand over the mementos to all of those people who have made this day possible. The commitment and the toil are worthy of a loud and thunderous applause. So let's start off by welcoming the book running lead managers, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, once again on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Kotak Mahindra Capital Company on stage. And could I please request JP Morgan India Private Limited to be ready. Can we welcome on stage Kotak Mahindra Capital Company once again. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let us now welcome on stage JP Morgan India Private Limited. And may we please have Citi Global Markets India Private Limited on standby. Thank you, gentlemen. May we welcome Citi Global Markets India Private Limited on stage. Please keep the applause going. And can we have IIFL Capital Limited on standby? Mementos being handed over to all of the people who have made this day possible. Thank you, gentlemen. Let's welcome IIFL Capital Limited. And may we have Axis Capital Limited, please, on standby. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Let's welcome on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Axis Capital Limited. Can we have ICICI Securities Limited on standby? Thank you, and let us welcome on stage ICICI Securities Limited. Can we have SBI Capital Markets Limited, please ready? Thank you, gentlemen. Let's welcome SBI Capital Markets Limited. On standby, could we please have HDFC Bank Limited? Let us welcome HDFC Bank Limited. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. May we have HSBC Securities and Capital Markets on standby. Thank you. Let's welcome HSBC Securities and Capital Markets Private Limited on stage. Can we have BNP Paribas, please, on standby? Thank you. Can we have BNP Paribas, please, on stage? Could we have Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, please, on standby? Thank you. Those were all the book running lead managers. Time for the legal counsels. And we have Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas on stage, please. Can we have AZB Partners on standby? Can we have on stage AZB Partners, please? Could we have Lathams and Watkins LLP on standby? Thank you to AZB Partners. Let's welcome Latham and Watkins LLP on stage. May we have Sidley Austin LNP on standby. Time to welcome Sidley Austin LLP on stage, please. Could we have CNK and Associates on standby, please? congratulations to all the legal counsels for all their tireless hard work. Now time to welcome the auditors. Can we have on stage CNK and Associates LLP on stage, please? Will GD Apte and Company please be ready on standby? And let us welcome GD Apte and Company on stage. Can we have Kalyaniwala and Mystery LLP on standby? Thank you. May we welcome Kalyaniwala and Mystery LLP on stage, please. Will Kirtane and Pandit LLP please be on standby? Thank you. Let us welcome Kirtane and Pandit LLP on stage, please. May we have KKC and Associates LLP ready to come on stage. Thank you. May we have KKC and Associates LLP please on stage. Can we have MM Nissim and Company LLP on standby? Thank you. Let us welcome MM Nissim and Company LLP on stage, please. All right. Moving on, can we have MP Chitale and Company on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. It is all the commitment and toil and hard work that is worthy of an applause. Can we have MSK and Associates on standby, please? MSKA and Associates, can we please have you on stage? Congratulations, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have Mukund M. Chitale on standby? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Let us welcome Mukund M. Chitale and Company on stage, please. Can we have T.R. Chadda and Company on standby? Thank you, and let's welcome T.R. Chadda and Company LLP on stage. And that sums up the list of the auditors. Can I have Manian and Rao please on standby from ICA? Thank you to all of our auditors for your hard work. A round of applause as we welcome ICA, Manian and Rao. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Can I have Kochar and Associates please on standby? Thank you. Let us welcome CISA Kochar and Associates on stage with a round of applause. Can I have MUFG In Time India Private Limited on standby? Let us welcome on stage the Registrar MUFG In Time India Private Limited. Can I have Parik and Associates on standby, please? MUFG In Time India Private. Round of applause. Thank you. Let us welcome Parekh and Associates, the practicing company secretary, on stage. Let's welcome Ad Factors PR, please, on stage, the media partners. Can we have HDFC Bank on standby? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the Ad Factors team. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome on stage HDFC Bank. A round of applause, please. HDFC Bank on stage, please. All right, let's move on. ICICI Bank, can we have you on stage, please, yet again? And can we have Care Ratings on standby, please? Do we have Care Ratings? Please come up on stage, Care Ratings. May I welcome Western Press on stage? HDFC Securities Limited, if you're here, please make your way on stage. All right. Thank you so very much. And now to conclude this wonderful morning, may I welcome on stage Mr. Rakesh Bhatia, CFO of Tata Capital Limited, for the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, Rakesh Bhatia.
So thank you, Awan. What an inspiring and historic morning this has been. One that we will remember for a long time. So good morning, everyone. It is with pride and gratitude that I stand before you on this momentous day, a milestone that marks not just our listing, but the beginning of a new chapter in our journey. This is a very proud and emotional moment for all of us. Today's listing is more than a financial achievement. It reflects our shared vision, collaborative spirit, and unwavering determination. We are honored and humbled. This moment stands as a testament of the market's confidence in our business model, our leadership, and the Tata legacy with over 150 years of business excellence rooted in trust, integrity, and nation building. On behalf of the entire management team, I extend sincere thanks to all who made this possible. First, our deepest gratitude to our group chairman, Mr. N. Chandrasekaran. His leadership, support, and belief in Tata Capital have guided us to this point and continue to inspire us every day. To our board of directors, thank you for your strategic guidance and vision, which have shaped our direction and strengthened our foundations for sustainable growth. Special thanks to Mr. Saurabh Agarwal, chair of our board. His insightful leadership and dedication have been the cornerstone of our progress, enabling us to navigate challenges with purpose and clarity. We also deeply appreciate our managing directors, Rajiv Sabharwal. His relentless commitment and inspirational leadership have been vital in steering Tata Capital to this historic moment. Thanks, Rajiv. To our bankers, auditors, and advisors, thank you for your expertise and timely support in executing this IPO with precision. To our legal counsels, your focus on compliance and transparency has reinforced trust and confidence among our stakeholders. We also thank our media agency and the press for bringing our story to life with clarity and impact. We are grateful to Ashish and the National Stock Exchange for their support and seamless facilitation throughout the listing process. To our shareholders, both new and long-standing, thank you for your trust. We pledge to be responsible custodians of your capital, and we shall remain committed to creating long-term sustainable value. Finally, to our employees, past and present, across functions, levels, and locations, this milestone is yours. Your dedication and belief in our purpose have laid the foundation of everything we have achieved. So a big round of applause for the employees. So today's listing is a springboard for the next chapter, the one which all of us will write it together. Finally, to our families, well-wishers, and everyone who supported us behind the scenes, thank you. This celebration honors our collective effort. So this milestone is not just an accomplishment, but a call to action. As they say, the best way to predict the future is to create it. With integrity as a foundation, innovation as a driving force, and inclusiveness as a compass, we are building a company that will endure and inspire for generations to come. Together, let's embrace this new chapter with vision and purpose. The best is yet to come. Thank you, and congratulations once again to every member of the Tata Capital family. Thank you.
Thank you so very much for those words, Mr. Bhatia. As you said, here's to the next chapter together. And now I would like to welcome on stage all of the employees of Tata Capital Limited. Please, for a photo op, please make your way on stage for the photo op together. Please make your way on stage as we mark this historic moment today. May I have all the team members and all those who have been such an integral part of this journey and leading up to this momentous day. Everyone from Tata Capital Limited, please start making your way on stage. We would like to capture this moment. Without all the hard work and dedication of each and every one of you present here today, this moment would not have been possible. Thank you for all that you have done, and I request you all to please make your way on stage. If you can try and squeeze together as much as possible, we want to try and get all of you in the frame. All right, may I request all of those who are on the left side of the stage maybe to stay on, and we'll do the right side separately. I think there's too many of you to be squeezed into one photograph. So maybe we can have everyone on the right side off stage for the moment. Yes, please, can you go off stage? And those of you who are that side can make your way to this side. Sorry about this, but there's clearly a lot of you. Can we have a few of you coming on this side, and everyone who's on this side, if you could make... Okay, a few of you can stay. And now can we have a lot of you from that side? Please make your way here. You can't be seen at the back. Please make your way this side. We will have 2 photographs being taken. It is all of you who have worked tirelessly, and each and every one of you have made this day a reality and possible. Bright smiles and a round of applause for yourselves. May I request the top management to stay on, and those who did not fit in the photograph, please. Can I have you on stage? And could a few of you make way for them, please?